What's going on, guys? How's everyone?
Oh my goodness. This is absolutely stunning.
Thank you.
No, not you. This slab is the most gorgeous thing I've seen.
Can we get this guy out of here? Alright guys, today we're going to show you some of our colors. Starting off with our 4020 Taurus sand. So this is a warmer slab with goldish brown veining. Can we get a close-up on here? Next up we have our 4030 Venetian cloud. This is a little bit of a cooler color with grayish veins and gives it that marble look. Next up we have our urban series. So we have a few of these textured slabs. Gives it that gray look, but it has a little bit of personality with the subtle veining. Last but not least, the Cielo Macauba.